2021, we've had a great start to the year. We've had some really great launches. The all-new Team Nutralite program, exciting offers, to all of which we have received great feedback. And now we bring to you the biggest of the biggest launch in the Nutralite traditional herbs range. Yes, our very own Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite. This product is guaranteed to be a game changer for your business in an already cluttered market, because we are bringing a super duper affordable, extremely competitively priced, very premium product that has a unique yet a great selling story, designed with multiple organic ingredients and EcoCert certification, and obviously with a promise of purity, safety and potency of the herbs used. As you know, with each passing year, we have tried to innovate and create products that are beneficial in today's time under our traditional herbs category. You will be extremely excited to know that since 2018, we have achieved over 250 crores with a 6 Nutralite traditional herbs range of products. And with our latest offering, I'm pretty sure we'll take the leadership position in the next 3 years in the premium Chyawanprash category. Now, before we kickstart the session, I would like to tell you all a personal story. I have personally never been a fan of Chyawanprash since I was a kid. I didn't like the taste, the tingling sensation at all. But my mother always used to be after me to have it. And I can tell you now, with this pandemic situation where everyone is taking precautions and doing everything to safeguard their immunity, alongside other Nutralite supplements, I myself and my family also started taking a Chyawanprash. And let me tell you, friends, I absolutely love the taste of a Chyawanprash, and I'm completely hooked to it. And I'm sure you all will be too. And this will definitely help you all in building new loyal consumers who would be buying the same from you month after month, as it is very affordable too. So I know you all must be anxious to hear what is so unique about a Chyawanprash. So let's start the session and welcome our latest offering this evening.
To all my dear friends, I want to start with a small personal anecdote. My personal story with Chyawanprash started when I was a little girl. My grandmother used to wait by the door to make sure that I had my spoonful of Chyawanprash before I left for school. Not only that, my first assignment after MBA was to sell Chyawanprash from shop to shop as a sales trainee. So, I personally am a big believer in the power of Chyawanprash. And it is my honor today to present to you this outstanding product which my team and I have worked on along with our innovation and sciences team for the last many months. The best of nature, the best of science and the best of traditional wisdom combined in our newest offering, our Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite. Here I would like to mention that Chyawanprash is the single largest product category, contributing to almost 20% of the Ayurveda market, which is around 5,400 crores. This makes Chyawanprash a 1,000 crore market. Now, isn't that huge? And as you would all know, we've had tremendous success with our Nutralite traditional herbs range. For example, one of our immunity products, Tulsi, has done exceedingly well, where we have already achieved 30% market share last year, even though we were playing in a very small subcategory in Ayurveda. Now, when you repeat this performance with the launch of our Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite in a 1,000 crore market, you are clearly looking at least a 300 crore brand. This gives you a market potential of almost 10 times the size we have played in till now. So, fasten your seat belts as we enter a massive category that is not only 10x of our current categories, but also growing very fast. Let me now invite my colleague Sushant Dayal to take you through more details on Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite.
Thanks, Anamika, for sharing the market size of Chyawanprash. And just by seeing the numbers, I think we have done truly a great job to launch our very own Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite. Friends, as you know, Chyawanprash market is very huge, and in the last 5 to 7 years, we have seen the rise of premium and super premium Chyawanprash brands. With this emergence, we have crafted a product that is premium in nature with the goodness of Ayurveda and organic ingredients to support immunity, rejuvenation of the body, and many more benefits with regular use. It is a classic Ayurvedic Chyawanprash recipe made with 16 organic ingredients free of preservatives and having multiple health benefits to promote your overall well-being. Now, let me invite my colleague Tushi Pandey to tell you more about our product and its benefits. Over to you, Tushi.
Thank you, Sushant, and a very good evening to each and everyone who are connected with us virtually to be a part of this exciting launch meet session. I'm sure you all have seen the pre-buzz excitement we created in the Bigg Boss house with our Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite. And if you haven't, do check it out on our Facebook, Instagram handles and also on Voot.
दिन के 3:45 बजे
आज बिग बॉस आप सभी को एक कार्य दे रहे हैं जिसमें आपको कुछ ऐसे सदस्य चुनने हैं जिनमें आपके हिसाब से एमवे न्यूट्रलाइट च्यवनप्राश की 3 क्वालिटीज हैं। एमवे न्यूट्रलाइट च्यवनप्राश में है 16 ऑर्गेनिक तत्व और साथ ही ये च्यवनप्राश पूरी तरह से प्रिजर्वेटिव फ्री है।
Looking at today's time, where people have been searching for immunity-related solutions online, there could not have been a better opportunity for us to launch our very own Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite. As you have seen, the market is already so big and well established that we had to come up with a premium product with a unique selling story. Hence, presenting Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite, a time-tested Ayurvedic medicine to support your immunity and keep you rejuvenated with regular use. Find out what is the goodness inside our Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite. Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite contains 32 Ayurvedic herbs to support immunity, and we make sure that each spoonful meets our PSP criteria of purity, safety and potency. Also, our product is made with 16 organic ingredients like organic amla, organic sugar and 14 other organic herbs like bale, syaonakha, patala, kashmaria, gokhru, akranta, kantakari, bhumyamlaki, jivanti, kuruchi, mushtha, ushira, vasaka and shatavari. There were so many, I have forgotten my count. It has also no preservatives as well. Hence, we recommend consuming the product within 60 days after opening the jar. The botanicals are authenticated through DNA fingerprinting as well. What's more is that Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite is certified by EcoCert under National Program for Organic Production, that is NPOP standard, as it is made with 16 organic ingredients. So you ask, why Chyawanprash? As you know, at Amway, we believe in helping people live better, healthier lives. And taking this vision further, our Chyawanprash offers multiple benefits, which ensures daily well-being when taken with regular use. When it comes to its primary benefits, Chyawanprash is known to support immunity, help combat cough and cold, rejuvenate the body with regular use, boost your strength and stamina, and energizes the body as well. Apart from this, there are additional benefits as well, like supports digestion, eases respiratory discomfort, makes you feel younger with regular use, supports your memory, and supports your heart health. It has always been believed that Chyawanprash is consumed only in winters, but after the pandemic, the consumption of Chyawanprash is happening month on month throughout the year, which will give you monthly repeats with a very affordable product. Now these are just the benefits, but stay tuned with us as we have a well-renowned doctor to take you through each of these benefits in great detail. We recommend the following usage for our Chyawanprash. For adults, we recommend 1 teaspoon, that is 12 gram approx of Chyawanprash to be consumed twice a day. For children 6 years and above, we recommend half teaspoon, that's 6 gram approximately of Chyawanprash to be consumed twice a day. We recommend that you use a clean, dry spoon while having our Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite. Our product is suitable for all ages, from kids, adults to elderly as well, and it's ideal for consuming throughout the year.
Now, let's talk about how affordable and competitively priced our new Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite is under the premium Chyawanprash category, so that it helps you get new and more buyers and also takes your Amway business to the next level. So any guesses what the price is? Did I hear $7.99? No. $6.99? No. $5.99? Not even that. We will be launching our premium Chyawanprash at an unbelievable, super duper affordable MRP and DAP of rupees 499 with an enhanced 10% trade discount specially for this product, giving you a great earning opportunity over and above other core plan commissions as shown here. Isn't that an exciting opportunity? There is another good news, team. Before we launch with the super attractive 499 price for our premium Chyawanprash, we will be launching our first 1 lakh packs under a special inaugural trial offer of rupees 415 only. Also with the enhanced 10% trade discount from 24th February 2021 to have you try the tastiest Chyawanprash. We will be launching the product with rationing for 2 days, and the maximum quantity allowed to purchase will be 2 units. The sales will open from 10 AM onwards on website, mobile app and shops. For the shops, the product will be available across all locations barring Northeast, Jammu and Kashmir and Andaman, which will take a few more days to connect. So hurry and grab hold of this special introductory offer before the stocks run out. Now before I sign off, I would like to mention that we will be connecting with you all very soon, and that too virtually through our regional Zoom sessions, where we will take you through the in-depth information and science behind Chyawanprash. Not just that, we will provide you with digital leaflets and flyers and platform first videos on Chyawanprash, its unique selling propositions, and benefits. So stay tuned as many more exciting tools will be coming your way. Now, here is the part of the session you all have been waiting for. Let's welcome Dr. Saurabh Sharma, a renowned Ayurvedic doctor and an eminent Ayurvedic physician, to take us through the benefits and usage of Chyawanprash in today's time.
Hello friends, my name is Dr. Saurabh Sharma and I am an Ayurvedacharya, a practicing physician in Delhi for last 13 years. I hope everyone is doing very well. But I also believe that today in this situation, when there's a lot of pollution, there's a lot of physical and mental stresses, the food is no longer organic. Although it is sometimes called organic, but because of this pollution, because of these so many stresses, because of so many chemicals in the environment, the food also got polluted. And I'm sorry my friends, it's not just the food, but our lifestyle has also got polluted. I'm again sorry to use this word polluted, but yes, we did something wrong for our lifestyles. So improper dietary routine, improper daily routine, improper combinations of the food, and there's these stresses, all of these things bring a lot of pain to this body. I'm not speaking about the physical pain, I'm speaking about the pain, I'm speaking about the suffering of this body which was never ever happened before. Now what to do? Yes, I know you all admit that what we are doing, but what to do with this? Yes, my friends, today I am going to take you back to 5,000-year-old science, our holy Ayurveda. Ayurveda, as you all very well know, it's not about medicines, it's not about chemicals, it's not about massages. It is about living a happy, healthy life. And now, how to live a happy, healthy life? This is what Ayurveda teaches us. Happy, healthy life with good quality and longevity. And now longevity doesn't mean that I am suffering and I am living for 100 years. We are looking for a good quality, happy, healthy life. And this can be achieved, as I said, with Ayurveda, which is life science. And Ayurveda is a very old science which basically teaches us for how to live a happy, healthy life, as I told you. Now today we are taking you back to Chyawanprash. Yes, my friends, you exactly heard it right, Chyawanprash. I hope you all remember, this is the same Chyawanprash which we have been unwantedly eating since our childhood. Mama and Papa would give you Chyawanprash, please eat so that you became big, you became immune, you became strong. But we were eating unwantedly. But my friends, today you will understand why should we eat Chyawanprash regularly? What are the benefits behind it? And why it is so necessary in this so-called stressful situation? I hope you remember in this in this actual pandemic situation, even Ayush Ministry also spoke a lot about rejuvenation, a lot about immunity. I would say now each one and second everyone knows the importance of immunity. Ayush Ministry also gave some more push that you must take Chyawanprash, you must take a lot of herbs like decoctions to improve your immunity, to do the detoxification of your body. So my friends, today we are speaking about Chyawanprash. Now from where this Chyawanprash came? Was it invented? Did it came out of the earth or what? So friends, Chyawanprash means, let's break this word into two. Chyawan and Prash. Now Chyawan, who is Chyawan? So Chyawan is the name of a holy saint, a sage, who was meditating years and years to get the moksha, which you call it enlightenment. This is what we want, right? In our scriptures it is written that the ultimate aim of this physical body is to be enlightened. So he was doing the meditation for years and years. And as you all know, we all have to grow, we all have to become big, and then the aging comes. Right, exactly. So the same thing happened with the sage. So he was meditating, and when by the time he finished, he completed his meditation, he was very old, very weak, very thin, no ojas, absolutely weak. And then the Ashwini brothers, who were basically the physicians of God Vishnu, so they basically not invented, they prepared some herbal mixture, elixir, and they gave it to Maharishi Chyawan, that you take this and you will be again back to the youth. And that's what he achieved. So after taking the Chyawanprash, that particular prash which is basically a special food combination, I would say, the Chyawan Rishi got again strong, bigger and youthful. That's what we want. Exactly. So this Chyawanprash came into action with this. So Chyawan Rishi, thank you for meditating. Thank you for bringing this holy herbal mixture to this mankind, because no one wants to be old, no one wants to be aged, right? So Chyawanprash was like this. Now you must have heard, like from the childhood we have been listening from parents, it's a very good rasayana. Even now also, in this pandemic situation when everyone was speaking about the immunity, people were speaking a lot about the rasayana. And I would also say Chyawanprash is a very good rasayana. I would say it's the best rasayana. Now, what is rasayana? To understand rasayana, we must also understand the aims of Ayurveda, or let's say the objectives of Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, it's always written very clearly. Swasthasya swasthya lakshanam atulasya vikar prashanam. It means the first objective of Ayurveda is what? To promote your health. If you are healthy, so we have to promote your health. It means we have to preserve you from any kind of diseases also, and we have to promote your healthy being. And promotion of health is the first objective, and then second, if you have any diseases, you get any bacterial, viral, fungal infections, then we save you by some combination of herbs also. So the first is promotion of health. And now I speak about the rasayana. So rasayana in Sanskrit it says labho payo hi shastanam rasayanam. It means all those measures, all those herbal compositions which increase the quality of rasadi dhatus is rasayan. So now let's combine these. The aim of Ayurveda is promotion of health. And what the rasayana does? So rasayana is a science in Ayurveda. Then you have different divisions further. So rasayana is a therapy. It's a different kind of science where we speak about more rejuvenation. So let's say if I'm healthy. I'm healthy, perfect, thank you. But who knows after 10 years I'm healthy or not? Who knows after 5 years I'm healthy or not? So rasayana is something which should be taken on a daily basis to maintain your health. To maintain your health. It means, so rasayana therapy basically maintains the health and improves the health, because you all very well know shiryate iti shariram. It means we are leading towards aging every second, not every day, every second. But what to do? How to combat with this? Yes, definitely. If you take rasayanas regularly, then yes, you basically somehow, let's say, detoxify the pollutants which get inside your body because of these all circumstances and things, and you also make your dhatus stronger. Now you all know, Ayurveda says there are 3 things on which your body is based, which is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. So my friends, please understand this Vata, Pitta and Kapha are basically 3 energy principles in your body. So Vata means, let's say, the air element. It is responsible for all kind of movements in your body. So breathing, movement, thinking processes, moving the hands, eliminations. So this is your Vata dosha. Now what is Pitta dosha? Now Pitta is a fire element in your body, which is basically your digestion, or let's say your metabolism. Please understand, this is very, very important. And Kapha is the one which gives structure to your body, because it is made up of water and earth elements. So if I'm standing, this is my structure, this is because of the Kapha. So for your body, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, all 3 are very, very important. But my friends, these are the doshas, these are the energy principles. But your body is not made up of Vata, Pitta, Kapha. These are the energy principles, okay? Your body is basically made up of 7 dhatus. 7 dhatus. Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asthi, Majja, Shukra. And after these 7 dhatus are formed, so let me tell you what is the process. So you eat something, your digestive fire starts functioning on it, then first dhatu is formed, Rasa, then Rakta, then Mamsa, then Meda, then Asthi, then Majja, then Shukra, and then Ojas. So this Ojas is your immunity. So imagine, it's a long process to get this immunity. So if you want to have a good Ojas, you must have all the 7 dhatus balanced. And that's what Rasayana does. So Rasayana basically gives strength to your dhatus. It gives optimum quality, good essence to your dhatus. So Vata, Pitta, Kapha, they work as the energy principle, and this is how the 7 dhatus are formed. And also it's very important to understand the importance of Agni in our body. Now what is Agni? I give you a simple example. Agni is the digestive fire. It has to be optimum and balanced. Now understand, we are 3 friends, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C. Mr. A is the person, if he drinks a little bit of milk, he gets diarrhea. Okay. Mr. B is a person who drinks milk 1 glass in twice a day, he's fine. Mr. C is the person who can drink 5 glasses of milk in the morning and 5 in the evening, but he is still fine. So we have different body constitution, right? It means you have body type different, you have digestive fire different. So what we have to do is we have to balance the Agni. In Ayurveda, there are 3-4 types of Agni, but we just speak about balancing the Agni. So if you take Rasayana, it not only nourishes your Dhatus, it also balances your Agni. It basically takes care of your Vata Pitta Kapha also. I hope everyone is healthy. Let me tell you the definition of health. Let's say perfect health according to Ayurveda. It says, Samadosha, Samagnischa, Samadhatu Malakriya, Prasannatmendriya Mana Swast iti bhidiyate. It means when your Samadosha, it means balance. When your dosha are in balance, when your dhatus are in balance, when your Agni is in balance, and you have proper defecation like sweat, urine and stool. If you have proper elimination also, and that too even apart from this also, if your mind, senses and soul, they are also in blissful stage, then you are called as perfect health. So again my question, are you healthy? And you say yes. Then I really appreciate it and I really like it. But to maintain your good health, definitely rasayanas are very important. So now you understand the doshas, now you understand the dhatus, now you understand the malas, their excretion. So what rasayana will do is this, rasayana will basically take care of all these things. Because with the aging, everything will go down. We were different, now we are different, further we will be different. But if we want to stay healthy, we must take rasayanas. Alright, so we spoke about Chyawanprash. Let me speak about the benefits. I hope now you understand the benefits. We spoke about immunity. It means it boosts your immunity. So there is a process going on inside our body, a regular process. You eat and the 7 dhatus are formed and the ojas is formed. So what a rasayana will do is this, it will enhance the processes. It will improve the agnis. It will improve the dosha functioning. It will improve the dhatus functioning. So what you want, like for a saint, what is the ultimate goal? Enlightenment. But for this physical body, what is the ultimate goal? Ojas. So if you want to have a perfect ojas, if you want to have a good optimum quality ojas, means the immunity, you need to have all the dhatus balance, dosha balance and agni balance and blissful state of mind, body and soul. And that can be achieved by proper rasayanas. In Ayurveda, it's not just the physical eating of rasayana, but also we have spoken about the achar rasayana, in which your behavioral things are very important. In the beginning of the video, I spoke about that our lifestyle has changed. Yeah, I know, but we have to improve it. So we have to have a good lifestyle. You wake up on time, sleep on time, do your regular things every day on time. Disciplined lifestyle is the key to health. I always tell to my patients, okay, thank you that you take my herbs which I give you and you get better. But okay, today I made you better, but tomorrow I don't know. If you do something wrong, I'm sorry, I'm not responsible. People come to me, can you treat diabetes cure completely? I said, I will do it. But if it comes again, then it's your fault. My friends, I'm not joking, but this is very serious. So rasayana is very important because on the herbs part, we can take care of you so that you can have a help and this aging things doesn't come. So we were speaking about the benefits. Now, the first benefits, you all know, rejuvenation. Understood? Clear. The second is detoxification. It means it basically detoxifies your body also. In the Chyawanprash, the herbs are made and they are mixed this way. It's a very good, beautiful combination in which what happens is if you have any kind of toxins in your body, toxins, it gets accumulated. Dr. Saurabh, I eat good, I sleep on time, I follow lifestyle, I eat organic food, everything. But still, I have this issue. Why? Because it's in Ayurveda, there are many reasons for any kind of disease progression also. The first is asatmendriya sayog, which is improper coordination between the senses and the body and the brain. Second is pragyaparad, which is called as mistaken intellect. Like let's say for example, it is strong winters, 2-3 degrees, and you go and you want to have ice cream. Obviously, come on, you will fall sick, you'll have cough and cold. And the third is kala. Kala means the time. Like, we have this pandemic situation also. So this was a kala. And according in Ayurveda, it is called as Janpadodvans. Anyway, that's a different story. The point is this, even though if sometimes you follow everything, but that too even you get diseases and sick like this. So my point is this, if you take rasayanas, at least elimination of the toxins will be proper. So unwantedly, if you secrete any toxins in the body, at least you can eliminate them with the rasayanas. So first is rejuvenation, second is detoxification, yes, very important. Third is definitely Shwasa and Kasa, which is basically the Rogadika. It means bronchitis or any kind of asthma or any kind of upper respiratory infections or allergies. Now how it helps? Avla hai, we have inside Avla. Okay, so the point is this combination, we will be speaking more about Amla, it's very good, it's a boon to at least this mankind, okay. But the combination of herbs basically improves the Agni, it means the fire element. Please understand, it's very simple. When the fire element will increase, what will happen is the Kapha element, it means the water element will get dried up. So if you have any kind of upper respiratory infections or asthma or allergies like this, especially in this season when the spring is coming, it's almost, we're standing on the next door of the spring. This is very important that these days you may have pollen allergies, infections, inflammation. You must have seen a lot of people sneezing in the morning. Oh, Dr. Saurabh, I wake up in the morning and I sneeze 10, 20 times and then I feel, oh, I'm better. So what happens if you take Chyawanprash, you can get much benefit for these kind of ailments also. Also, not only this, if you have any kind of fatigue and tiredness in the body, which is very common these days, I'm sorry to say, but this is very common. Because what happens is improper lifestyle, improper food, improper habits, and then you say, oh, Dr. Saurabh, I sleep in the night, but when I wake in the morning, I'm really tired. That's also, it gets balanced. And also very important, there is something which is very common, and that is improper sleep or mental stress, which unknowingly we all have to suffer. Sooner or later, little or more, but we have to suffer. So if we take Chyawanprash, let's say a combination of beautiful rasayanas, herbal rasayanas, definitely you combat with this mental stresses also. So brain relaxation happens, you get a good sleep. It's also very good for good intellect. So children who are in school or youth scholars who are studying, it's also very good for them because it increases the brain cells. Your medha increases, so the retention power also increases. Not only intellect but retention. This is a very common story, Oh, I remember everything very intelligent, but when I go to the exam and I start writing, I forget everything. So this is a very common thing, it happens. It happened to us also, when we were students. But fortunately, we were taking Chyawanprash, so it was okay. Anyway, so it takes care of your brain, it takes care of your skin also. Let me just tell you a simple Sanskrit quotation which says the benefits of Rasayana. It says, Dirghamayu Smriti Medham Arogyam Tarunam Vaya Prabha Varn Bal Odalam Swarendriyam Param. It means it brings you Dirghayu. Who doesn't want Dirghayu? Everybody wants. Who wants to die soon? Dirghayu, it means longevity. Dirghayu Smriti, good memory. Medha, good intellect. Arogyam, it means perfect health, physical health. Tarunam Vaya, it means you are youth for a longer time. Okay? Aging has to come, my friends, but let's try to delay it as much as we can. Then, Dirghamayu Smriti Medha Arogyam Tarunam Vaya Dehendriyam Balam, it means strength in the body also. Strength. And good speech, good complexion, it's also a benefit. And also there's one more line I would tell you, believe me, the speech, you must have heard people, this is written in the text and somehow I believe this line also. It's written in the text that if you take regular rasayanas, your speech becomes practically truth. You know what my point is this. You speak something and it happens. This happens only from the virtue of God. But this is also one of the written benefits of rasayana in the ancient text. So anyways, so basically if you take rasayana, it works. This is the functioning of the rasayana, how it works actually. Not just like take something and you become strong. So it goes inside, it goes very subtle in your body, very subtle. You will not believe, I would say from my clinical experience that it works on the cellular levels. As we all know, each and everything in the world, living or non-living, is basically made up of 5 elements. Ether, fire, air, water and earth, right? So basically what happens is this is basically a permutation and combination of stuff. So when some element is less in the body, if you take Rasayana or Chyawanprash, it basically get balanced. Something is high, it makes it balanced. So it's basically permutation and combination. So if you take Rasayana, it basically takes care this way. Now my friends, I am speaking about the Rasayana and benefits, but I must speak a lot about your favorite superfood, which is your Amlaki. Amla, exactly, yeah, same. Amla. So what do you know about Amla? I know it's very good for hairs. It's very good for skin also. This is what you know, right? But my friends, let me tell you, in Ayurveda there are 6 tastes, right? We all know 6 tastes: sweet, salty, sour, pungent, astringent, and bitter. The only fruit which has 5 tastes, also Haritki also is one of the fruit, but if we speak about Amla, because this is the major composition of our Chyawanprash, the only taste which is missing is salt. So if you take the salt out, the other 5 tastes are there in your Amla, Amlaki. And now we have this 5 tastes. So as I said, it balances Vata, Pitta, Kapha, 3 doshas, all the 3 doshas, right? So if you have Vata aggravation, it means there's a lot of dryness in the body. So with Amla, you can basically balance it. If you have Pitta aggravation, people who have hyperacidity and refluxes, people who have hypertensions also, they're also Amla. People who have Kapha imbalances. Now Kapha imbalances, upper respiratory infections or allergies or infections, then also. So basically one Amla, one organic Amla works towards Vata, Pitta and Kapha balancing absolutely perfect. So you can balance all the 3 doshas with your Avalki only. Now Amla is very good for your eyes also. Definitely it's good for your hairs, it's good for your eyes, it's good for your cardiac strength also, it's good for the vitality in the body. And believe me, this is my personal experience, I tell you. Because I travel a lot, India, abroad, I travel a lot. If I take Amla, small Amla, in my mouth traveling, because you must have seen a lot of people, this is from my personal experience, you must have seen a lot of people when they travel a lot, they get a pain in the legs because the legs are hanging. They get swelling in the legs. With this Amla, because Amla is anti-inflammatory also in action. So if you take Amla ki, it basically helps in that also. You don't get tired. You will not believe somewhere people, athletes use Amla a lot. Why? Because the muscle fatigue, what happens after running or doing a lot of physical exertion, Amla takes care. And when, imagine, I mean, there can be enormous benefits. I mean, there are enormous benefits. I can speak about Amla hours and hours. But in Chyawanprash, what is done is this Amla is processed with certain many herbs, like Dashmula, like Jivanti, Rishvak, which is Ashtavarga also. So what happens is this, Amla itself is so much strong. It has got a lot of beneficial health qualities and all. But if you process them, this Amla with other herbs, in Ayurveda it is called as Sanskaro hi Gunantal Dhanam. It means when you process it, it basically enhances the qualities. So when this superfood Amla, I must tell you also, I hope everyone knows this, that Amla is the only superfood, natural food, okay, which has got maximum amount of vitamin C or let's say ascorbic acid. So, okay, we will come to this point again. So, if this Amla is processed with so many organic herbs, what happens is the quality improves. And this Chyawanprash, which has got major compositions of Amla, so Amla is basically the base. So, the Amla Pishti is basically the base which is formed as an elixir or the Chyawanprash. But the other 32 herbs, all herbs are also, the benefits are also inside. So, this Amla, small Amla became big, very, very big. Now, understanding this ascorbic acid, which I said about the antioxidant part, that Amla is also the strongest antioxidant known. What is antioxidant? Antioxidant is something which basically kills the bacteria or whatever. No. Okay. So what happens is this. In any kind of chemical reaction in our body, what happens is this, there is a chemical reaction, catabolism or anabolism. Okay. So mixing of the 2 molecules or breakage of the molecules, there is a free radical, something which comes out. Something which comes out. For example, you drive a car. So there is emission of the smoke from the back, right? So this is the byproduct, which is pollutant, right? The same way, a free radical is a pollutant in our body. This is a pollutant. He will go and he will stuck to a good cell and he will just kill it. So what Amla does is, it's an antioxidant, broad spectrum antioxidant. What it does is, it basically goes and kills this gentleman who goes to the good cells. So basically now this is the way it slows or stops the aging process. Not stops, slows down the. Because the most of the free radical, the singles, the static people who are walking inside, he just kills them. So the free radicals are gone, so your health stays perfectly better. So it's just the Amla which is so strong. Imagine the other herbs, all of the organic herbs which are mixed inside, from Dashmula. Now Dashmula are basically, Mool means the root of 10 trees, okay, and now that is basically meant for Vata balancing. So any kind of Vata disorders if you have, because I have heard people say, okay, I take Ayurvedic herbs, but they are too heavy for my digestion. But these Amlakis are processed with the Dashmulas, organic Dashmulas. So what it does is this, with the Dashmula, the Amla becomes more lighter and easy and subtle for digestion. As I said, Amlaki, or let's say I would say Chyawanprash basically works on the subtle levels, very, 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 very fine levels. And when it works, it basically gives a strong antioxidant effect. Yes, my friends, so it can be taken, it should be taken every day. And I would say 365 days, 6 months, whole the 6 seasons. Why? Because the combinations are so perfectly made inside that it is suitable for everyone all over the year. But my friends, this is also very important, the quantity, how much to take. People take sometimes even little or 3-4 spoons, not the exact. So the ideal dosage is 12 grams twice in a day for adult. For children, it is 6 grams twice in a day. Yes, it's very important. If you can take it with milk, it will be good. If not, then lukewarm water. The purpose behind is this: you get good health, perfect health, and you achieve optimum ojas in your body. My friends, we just passed through a pandemic situation. You don't know what will happen. In this pollutant, in this atmosphere, we can have other problems also in the coming years. But if we take Rasayana therapy, Rasayanas every day, let's say Chyawanprash every day, we basically try to combat with such kind of bacteria, allergies and viruses. Improve your Agni, improve your digestive fire, and as I said, the most important is this: try to go in synchronization, or let's say harmony with the nature. Follow good diet and daily routine. Take Chyawanprash every day. Yes, I will definitely say Chyawanprash is very tasty, because the taste is something which comes from the brain, not the tongue. If you think it's not tasty, then what? It's from the brain. Now I hope you all understand the benefits of Chyawanprash. Chyawanprash basically is antioxidant, rejuvenator, improves the longevity and complexion. Okay, oh my friends, there are people who say, oh doctor sahab, look at my skin. Why there are wrinkles or so? Why? Because of physical mental stresses. So taking Chyawanprash, having regular diet and daily routine definitely improves your health, your well-being, and it gives you, let me use the word, perfect bliss. So I hope you all follow this. Take care of yourself. Have a good, happy, healthy life, and take care. Namaste.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for sharing your wisdom with us on how Chyawanprash came into being and what are its main benefits and uses. I know I have learnt a lot, and I'm sure all our listeners have as well. And we thank you all for your time today, and I would just like to reiterate that our Chyawanprash by Amway Nutralite is loaded with a lot of goodness, like it is made with 16 organic ingredients, it's preservative free, it comes with our PSP criteria of purity, safety and potency as well. So, are you ready to meet and enjoy our all-new immunity partner?